I am Manvi Mehta, and in this channel I bring out the complex as well as basic concepts of economics and explain them in less than 9 minutes. So today's topic is a very interesting topic, which is economic growth and development. For understanding development in economics, a clear understanding between these two concepts is important, because very oftenly these two concepts are used interchangeably, which is very wrong to understand these two concepts because they have a lot of difference. So let's begin with the difference between both of them. So when we talk about economic growth and economic development, so economic growth basically talks about the quantitative aspects only. How does the GDP change over the years, and what is the quantitative changes in GDP or GNP or per capita income that is encompassed in the economic growth. Whereas economic development takes into account both quantitative changes, GDP growth, how it is going to change, and qualitative aspects, how have the poverty, unemployment levels risen or have grown upwards, or how has inflation been, how has the standard of living been in general for people. Then when we talk about the scope of economic growth and development, we see that economic growth has a narrow scope, whereas economic development has a broader scope. Then when we talk about the indicators, so gross national product, gross domestic product, per capita income are some of the indicators of of economic growth, whereas human development index, gross happiness index, physical quality of life index, gender development index, which basically talks about holistic development and holistic standard of living, and how actually growth translates into people's lives, is what shows what are the indicators of economic development. Then the target, when we talk about growth, the target is towards production of resources, how to produce the resources, and the end goal is to make them into either resources or services, goods or services. Whereas the target of economic development is optimum distribution and utilization of resources. So development will not only consider the production of goods and services, but how those goods are distributed among the various the various stratas of the society. Then it is applicable to developed countries. Economic growth is a concept which is more applicable to developed countries, because after reaching economic development, they are going to talk about economic growth. Whereas when we talk about the developing countries, it is more about economic development that we are talking about, because we have to grow as an economy on various levels. So on the basis of these differences, we can clearly make a differentiation between these two concepts. And yes, they may be used interchangeably, but it is not that simple. So we should not use them interchangeably. They have considerable difference, and this concept, economic development, encompasses economic growth. So initially economic growth is important, but overall the end goal should be economic development, that is sustainable development nowadays. Thank you. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.